rays meets virtually, these two rays not meet actually, these are not really meets, these two rays are not meets really, so these are virtual and erect virtually. And the size is smaller than object, smaller than object. Either you write smaller or you can use diminished, use diminished. Diminished means smaller, magnified means larger, diminished means smaller. Okay, now what are the uses? Only two cases are there here, only two cases given. Now see Raji, as we know, we done formula, mirror formula, we done mirror formula for spherical mirror as well as mirror formula for concave and convex. It is same, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Mirror formula is 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. As we know, v is the image distance, u is the object distance, f is the focal length, h1 is the height of object, h2 is the height of image. Okay, now what are the sign conventions for this? Now see, image is always formed, in both the cases image is from this side, this is your left side, it is incident ray falls from left to right, means right will considered as positive. Image is formed right side, so we will take positive. In both the cases image is formed right side, so v is always positive. Keep one thing, v, keep one thing in your mind, v is always positive for convex mirror, v is always positive for convex mirror. V is the image distance. In the case of convex mirror, this is always positive. Clear? And what about focal length? See Rajay, focal length also in this side. What is the focal length? That is the distance between, focal length is the distance between P and F. Distance between P and F is the focal length. This is also lies in this side, means this is also positive. This is focal length, this is also positive, because we considered this side positive and this side negative. Why we considered? Because incident ray falls from left to right and it is coming in the right side, so it is considered as positive, and other is negative due to the sign conventions which we done in the previous videos. Okay, now see, F is also positive, F is also positive, always positive for convex mirror. V is always positive. What about U? U is always negative. Why U is always negative? Because we have to keep object in the left side. Always we have to keep object in the left side. Now question, suppose question is given, an object 5 centimeter high, an object 5 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. 5 centimeter high object placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the nature, position and image. Object distance. Object distance. Object distance means u, that is always negative. 10 is given, what we will write? We will write minus 10. Why we will write? Because this is always keep left side, object is always keep left side. U is equals to minus 10 centimeter. What about V? V we have to find, image distance we have to find. Object height is given, means h1 is given, that is 5 centimeter. Radius of curvature is given, we done formula, r is equals to 2f. From here by using r30 find f. Focal length is equals to r is 30 divided by 2, that is 15. F is equals to 15. For convex mirror focal length will always positive, so it is plus 15 centimeter. Clear? Now formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. V we have to find. U is always negative for concave as well as convex mirror. F is positive here, 1 by V. This plus minus minus 1 by 10 is equals to 1 by 15. 1 by V is equals to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. After solvation, find LCM, and after solving you will get your value, that is 6 centimeter. Plus 6. Plus sign shows the images virtual and erect. The plus sign shows images virtual and erect. So what is the nature? What is the nature? That is virtual and erect. Okay. Next, what is the size? What is the size? How to find size? We have two formulas to find the size. The third one, what is the position? What is the position? Position, that is at the 6 centimeter behind the convex mirror. Behind the 6 centimeter behind the convex mirror, nature is virtual and erect. What about size? How to find size? Size, to find size, m is equals to minus v by u, or m is equals to h2 by h1. By these two equations, m is equals to h2 by h1 and m is equals to minus v by u. If both the sides are equal, left sides are equal, right, we will keep equal, means h2 by h1 is equals to minus v upon u. H2, height of image we have to find. H2 we have to find. What about h1? H1 is given, and that is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter high is equals to minus of v. What is the value of v? That is 6. And what about u? U is given 10 centimeter minus 10. U is minus 10 centimeter. Clear? Minus is cancelled with the minus sign. H2 is equals to, by cross multiply, 10 H2 is equals to 6 5s are 30. H2 is equals to 30 divided by 10. 10 3s are 30. Value of H2 is equals to 3 centimeter. Clear? This is your answer. What are the uses of convex mirror? Where to use convex mirror? Most of the cases we are using for the rear view. We are using concave mirror, that is for the rear view, like in the vehicles like car, buses, to see the traffic at the rear side. To see the traffic at the rear side, we are using convex mirror. And the second one, we are using for the shop security. It is used for the shop security mirrors. It is used as the